Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Marvel Legends Ultimate Riders set of the World War II Captain America 6-inch action figure along with the motorcycle. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a look at the boxing. So up front we have a clear window type boxing which allows us to see the content of this package, which is simply amazing. And as you can see, the Marvel and Captain America branding is bang in the middle, and onto the right corner we have the Hasbro logo. And moving on to the left bottom corner, you would see the Marvel 80 years branding, and up top is the Legend series which this Ultimate Riders set belongs to. And onto the side, you'll see an awesome picture of Captain America on his motorcycle, which looks simply stunning. And onto the back, you can see some product shots of the content of this package all throughout. And on the other side, you can see a picture of Deadpool and Professor X, which are the other sets that are available. And here is a write-up about this product, so pause if you want to take a read. And on the other side, we see a graphic of Cap yet again. And on the top of this package, we can see an original Captain America shield, all spot varnish that looks awesome. And nothing much on the bottom, so with no further ado, let's get this open. And with that out of the way, here is everything that you will get from this Captain America 2-pack Ultimate Riders set. And to begin with, keep in mind that there is a minor assembly required for Captain America's World War II motorcycle, so let's go ahead and get that sorted. And finally, here is Captain America out of the box along with his awesome World War II motorcycle. And looks like there's a lot of fun accessories. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at the motorcycle, as this is the reason why I got this pack. So here we go. To begin with, this motorcycle is based off the previous Wolverine motorcycle, which is obvious, but sure does look unique with a couple of added features and accessories. Hasbro has made some clever moves with this one. So now let's take a closer look at Cap's World War II motorcycle and accessories. So my first thoughts about this motorcycle is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality, although it is made of ABS plastic. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks quite close to its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features, this model comes with a battle green chassis, which is pretty much the color scheme all throughout this motorcycle replica. And this model also comes with a steerable front fork with a massive visor which has a leather texture to it on the bottom, and clear plastic up top which could be removed if required. And in the middle of this visor, there is what seems to be a horn and a well-detailed headlight. And these components elegantly flow into a well-sculpted handlebar with a single rear view mirror on the left with black hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers, which also come with a speedometer which is attached to the handlebar. And these components seamlessly flow into a front fork with a pair of front turn signals on it, with a couple of pegs on the right to mount the sheath for Cap's handgun, which are removable. And on the left you will find an old school box for storage of ammo, I guess. And moving down is a classic looking front fender, which is in battle green as well, that wraps around a beautiful battle green spoked wheel and a rubber tire. And moving on to the mid section, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in battle green with the signature World War II star on both sides, which are in white. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well detailed V-twin engine sculpt with an all black dual exhaust. And talking about the seat, it's a single saddle seater which is well sculpted in a beautiful shade of brown that really contrasts with the rest of this World War II motorcycle. And you will also find a rear bag and two side saddle bags which are in the same color of the saddle seat, which is mounted to the rear fender. And my favorite feature about these components are that they are made with a beautiful leather finish with the buckles painted in silver. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front. And just to mention, this model comes with free rolling wheels and a center kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 8 inches in length, 6 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 190 grams, which are a little bigger compared to the standard 112 scale specs. So let's make a side-by-side comparison of this model with the 112 scale Honda Goldwing. And by the looks of it, this World War II motorcycle is almost the same as the regular 112 scale motorcycles, and I'm glad that I finally got my hands on this so I could add it to my ever-growing 112 scale motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful motorcycle model and a definite must-have for any motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you're a Captain America or Marvel enthusiast. So now let's go ahead and take a look at Captain America himself along with his accessories. And this high quality 6-inch scale Captain America action figure is highly poseable and features comic inspired design. This action figure of Cap sports a blue costume with some good details, and the head sculpt is amazing and is a masked version with a removable helmet with the signature A on it. The upper torso is well sculpted and detailed as well, which bears an American flag motif with a star. And I like the turtleneck that Cap's wearing, which is a good touch of detail. I also love the harness that is well detailed for his ammo and the sheath on the side that holsters his handgun. And I'm happy that this handgun is an individual piece and removable instead of being molded. Moving down, there are some good details on the trousers, and I love the fact that Cap comes with a sheath to holster the dagger that comes as an accessory. And I love the detail on his boots as well. And overall, this is an amazing and well sculpted action figure with some good articulation. And another interesting accessory that comes with this pack is the ultimate original shield that he utilizes and throws as a projectile. And details on the shield is amazing and painted in an all-American stars and stripes. And what's good about this accessory is that it could be pegged on the wrist of this action figure or also pegged to his back. Well, overall, this Captain America figure looks good and a beautiful add-on to any action figure collection. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this Captain America set in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place Captain America's World War II motorcycle on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors. And this World War II Captain America's motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as for the functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing Captain America World War II Ultimate Riders set on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this awesome Marvel Legends set in a 360-degree view. And stay tuned for some fun facts on Captain America coming up. Captain America is a superhero appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. Created by cartoonists Joe Simon and Jack Kirby, the character first appeared in Captain America Comics number 1, cover dated March 1941 from Timely Comics, a preceder of Marvel Comics. Captain America was designed as a patriotic super soldier who often fought the Axis powers of World War II and was Timely Comics' most popular character during the wartime period. The Captain America comic book was discontinued in 1950 with a short-lived revival in 1953. Since Marvel Comics revived the character in 1964, Captain America has remained in publication. Steve Rogers was just a scrawny kid determined to serve his country until an experimental formula transformed him into the world's first super soldier. This isn't just any Captain America figure. This 6-inch World War II Captain America figure looks like a patriotic super soldier, and he wears the vintage costume from World War II. He defends justice with his vibranium shield and also comes with this amazing World War II motorcycle replica, which is a Marvel product that are produced by Hasbro under license from Marvel Characters BV. And for further information on Captain America, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Captain America ultimateriders set, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this Captain America action figure set. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my D-Nation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and this is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates. And please do check out the rest of the 112 scale and the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this Marvel Legends unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.